You are appearing for
Again, sir.
Federal Bank interview, which tomorrow?
No, sir, day after tomorrow, on 11th.
11th. In which place?
In Kottayam, Kerala.
Oh, Kottayam, Kerala. Very good. Is this the first interview you are taking with me or second?
No, sir, it's the first interview. Actually, I have scheduled another for tomorrow.
Acha. Very good. Now, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. Sir, my name is Agil Kumare. I am a native of the city of Kottayam in the state of Kerala. I am currently working as associate with KPMG Global Delivery Center Private Limited, Kochi. I have completed my master's, that is post-graduation in commerce with specialization in finance from Basilius College, Kottayam. And I have secured 9th rank in the MG University MCOM examination during my batch. And I have completed my undergraduation from the same institution itself. Regarding my family, I have 3 members in my family: my father, my mother, and my younger brother. That's all about me, sir.
So what is the nature of work you are now doing in your, say, present assignment?
Okay, sir. Sir, I am actually working in the project management division of audit business with KPMG. So I support US audit engagement teams of KPMG by giving them various project management deliverables like budgeting and post-variance analysis and project status metrics using various tools like Excel, Microsoft Power BI, Alteryx, etc.
Good. What is KPMG?
So KPMG is one of the big four, sir. It can be expanded as Kleinwell, Pitt, Marwick, Goldner. We are one of the big four auditing and consulting firms across the globe. It is headquartered at Netherlands we have actually 4 practices: audit, tax, consultancy, and advisory practices.
Now you are in which part of the business?
I am in the audit practice, sir.
Very good. Who is the person in charge in India as far as KPMG is concerned?
So Mr. S.V. Nagarpola is currently the Chief Executive Officer of KPMG in India, sir.
Okay. Where is he working? Which place is he?
He is working from Mumbai, sir.
Mumbai. Very good. Very good. You are working in Kochi?
Yes, sir. I am working in Kochi.
Kochi, how many people are working in KPMG?
So there are around 700 professionals working from KPMG Kochi office, sir.
But how many of you are attending office in person now?
So actually we have a hybrid system, sir. So we have an platform to schedule our arrival at the office. So it might be differ from day to day according to the plans and programs in office, sir.
No. Nowadays you have work at home or work at office?
Both, sir. We are working in a hybrid model, actually.
Hybrid means what? I don't understand.
Sir, actually, we need to go at least 2 or 3 days a week into office, and the remaining days we can work from home.
How will you do work at home? What type of work will you be having to do at home?
The same work, sir. We are having work actually scheduled for each day of the week, and we have all the necessary infrastructure. Infrastructures same to us at the home also, like monitors, docking stations, and internet and all. And when we go to office, we have also the infrastructure there also. So we do the same work from office and same work from home.
Do you have internet facility and all Wi-Fi in your home?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have Wi-Fi in my home, and my firm is actually paying the internet bills.
What is the maximum speed you get in your Wi-Fi?
So my current plan is 150 Mbps, sir.
Very good. Do you get that correctly?
Most of the time, sir. I am actually connecting my router through a LAN cable, so it's stable most of the time.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So what is the name of the internet service provider?
It's Asianet Broadband Limited.
Now, with this 5G coming, will it be that your speed will improve or will it have impact or no?
So I believe, sir, on broadband, there won't be any impact with 5G, but the mobile connections, it will be having a huge benefit with the launch of 5G. I rarely use mobile connections to access internet in my computer. But if at all, when the internet is down, I have to use my mobile hotspot or anything. It will be a huge benefit with 5G.
Which mobile provider are you using?
I am using Airtel, sir, Bharati Airtel.
Very good. What is the speed you get? 4 GB, 5 GB?
No, sir. Actually, it is around 6 MB, 7 MB. I am actually using 4G.
Sorry.
So
6. I was about to ask 4 Mbps or 6 Mbps like that.
Maximum 6, sir. That too in late night. Most of the time it's 3 to 4 Mbps a second.
Very good. It is okay. No problem. Now,
yes,
you are working. What is the pay packet likely? Why do you want to shift to Federal Bank?
Sir, regarding your first question, my current pay package is 4,24,000 CTC per annum with around 1,25,000 as bonus additionally. And why I want to shift to Federal Bank? There are 3 reasons mainly. So I am a candidate who have interest in banking and finance. So my current practice is limited to audit only, and I have explored some opportunities where I could shift to finance within KPMG, but that was not possible, and there was not some exciting opportunity here. So I think this is one of the best opportunities available there for me to shift my career and transition. And the second reason is I am actually looking forward to shift to some other places because I am a candidate who have completed my studies within Kerala, and my employment was also in Kerala. I know Federal Bank is actually having a very good over the India, so I am expecting that it will give me some opportunities to move outside Kerala and break my comfort zone and work from some other locations so that I could gain more exposure in my life. And there is one more thing, sir. So during my career with KPMG, the main quality which I was constantly appreciated of was customer-centric approach. And I believe this role at Federal Bank is very much requiring the customer-centric approach to provide customer delight to the customers of Federal Bank. So I think my skill at customer management and customer orientation is very much will be useful to Federal Bank.
Instead of telling to Federal Bank, in Federal Bank.
Okay, sir, definitely.
That will be a better. Good. You talked very nicely. You told me the reason why you want to shift to Federal Bank also. Good. Have you written other bank exams?
No, sir. I haven't written any other bank exam, but I am looking for opportunities in some other investment banks in the meantime in past, like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley.
They're all foreign banks, no?
Yeah, they are all foreign banks because my current role and current profile is more appealing to them. That's why I was looking at.
So the job now you are doing is for US clients?
Yeah, exactly, sir. Exactly. I am doing it for US clients.
Very good. What is the income tax structure in United States?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware of that because I am not dealing with taxation and filing of tax papers. Sorry, sir.
What is the income tax exemptions in India?
Means, sir, we have 2 tax regimes at this point of time. The new regime and the old regime. As per the old regime, anyone who is having taxable income below 2,50,000 is not liable to pay tax. And as per the new regime, I believe the minimum taxable limit is 3 lakh taxable income per annum. And there are other exemptions also which we can avail based upon our investment structure, like exemptions under Section 80C and 80D, 80G, etc.
Are the Section 80C, etc., available in both regimes or only in one regime?
I am not sure about it, sir, but I think it's available in both regimes. But there is a standard deduction of 50,000 for income from salary. That is available only in the old regime, not in the new regime.
No. All these things are available only in the old regime.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, either you choose to go for the new regime, 5 lakhs and above, you have to pay tax. If it is above 5 lakhs, then only you will pay tax. And in the case of old regime, for senior citizens, it is 3 lakhs.
Exactly,
Yeah,
sir.
but however, now exemption has been granted for everybody up to 5 lakhs.
So, sir, in old regime, exactly. Yeah.
Old and new, both. New regime. New regime also same, because who will opt for new regime if his total income is going to be 4 lakhs? He will not stay there. He will be only in old regime. Only people who have got excess than 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 10 lakhs, they will opt for this. And that too, when there is they are not saving any money under ATC and other things.
Okay, sir, I understood that. Sir. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Very good. So, what is your father?
So my father's name is K. Sajid Kumar. He is currently working as a supervisor in a nearby construction company called Perfect Builders Limited.
What are they doing, Perfect Builders?
They are undertaking construction projects, sir. They basically have a villa project in Mananam, Kerala, and they are also undertaking some construction projects outside our locality in Kochi and as well on an ad hoc basis based upon their request from their customers.
Have you ever visited Kochi, or you are now in Kochi only?
No, sir. I am now in Kottayam, but I am visiting Kochi twice a day. As I said earlier, I have to work from office at least twice a day. Is it twice a week? Sorry, sir. Pardon me.
So you will go from Kottayam to Kochi every day, every time, no?
Exactly, sir. I will go from Kottayam to Kochi.
How far is it from Kottayam to Kochi?
It's around 60 to 70 kilometers. Sir.
Only? Oh, that much nearby?
Yes, sir. One side. Yes, sir.
Very
it's
good.
Nearby 2 districts, sir, actually.
So can you tell me something about the reclaimed land in Kochi? I remember about 20, 30, 25 years ago and all, some extent of land was reclaimed from sea and buildings were constructed over that and all. How is that position of that now?
Actually, I'm not aware of that, sir, but I think that you may be referring to something about the flat demolitions which happened, I think, 3 to 4 years ago.
No. Not.
So some.
Is it flat? What happened? What happened? Tell me.
Yeah, there were some flat structures in Kochi which was having some environmental concerns, and later on, I think the court ordered to demolish those flat structures. That was in Marad, I believe, in Ernakulam.
That was in Marine Drive.
Marad, sir. There is a place called Marad.
Marad. Oh, Marine Drive. Marine Drive in Kochi means what?
So it's one of the most happening places in Kochi, sir. There are a lot of shopping vendors, shopping places, and there is a place called Queen Walk in Marine Drive, which is very much liked by persons for evening walks and all. And it's actually a posh area also. So there are some premium villa and flat projects over there.
Because I asked this question to you because your daddy is in real estate. So please ask him about the details of this. What you ask him about 25, 30 years ago, was there any large area of land that was reclaimed from sea?
Okay, sir.
And what happened to that?
Okay, sir. I will definitely check on that.
Because you are from, what is that? You are from real estate line, your father. That is why I asked. Otherwise, I will not ask this question.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good. Yours is a joint family or is a nuclear family?
Mine is a nuclear family, sir.
Achha. Is a joint family good or nuclear family good?
So I think, sir, both have its own merit and disadvantages. So if it's a joint family, especially the kids will have more exposure in engaging with other persons. So we will be getting opportunities to engage with our aunts, uncles, grandparents regularly. So our interpersonal communication skills and all will get improved, I believe. And but in case of nuclear family, it's in these days it's easier to relocate if we are a nuclear family, because if you are a joint family, it will be very much to relocate, especially for job requirements and so. So I think, sir, both have its own merits and disadvantages.
So you say both have its merits and disadvantages. Can you tell me RBI functions?
Sure, sir. RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is the apex institution for banking activities in India. So RBI act as the bankers to bank and bankers to the government as well. So the main function of RBI is the issue of currency and credit control of the economy. And I think in order to control the money supply in the economy, RBI make changes in its monetary policy by in way of changing the various rates like repo rate, reverse repo rate, and also.
Achha. What is the recent RBI decision regarding the rates?
So on 5th of August, the Monetary Policy Committee meeting for this month was concluded, and the repo rate was increased by 50 basis points to 5.40. And the bank rate and MSF facility rate was also increased to 5.65, and the SDF facility rate was realigned to 5.15.
Good. What are the things you prepared for this interview?
Sir, I have mainly brushed my knowledge about banking industry. I have gone through the status of public sector banks and private sector banks and the numbers of the same, because we had some mergers of the public sector banks in the last couple of years. And I have also brushed upon my knowledge regarding the RBI, the monetary policy, the economic condition, inflation, and revaluation of decrease in the value of rupee and also. And I have also read about a federal bank, its structure, its history, and its key executive, and about its financial performance in the last years.
Yeah. Can you tell about the financial performance of Federal Bank?
Sure, sir. So on the last month, Federal Bank declared its financial result for Q1 of this financial year, and it was very much impressive, where it have recorded a record profit of 601 crore, which was the highest in any quarters, and its current business is around 3,50,000 crores, with 1,80,000 crores as deposits and 1,53,000 crores as advances. And the current CASA of the Federal Bank is, I believe, 36.94, and its CAR ratio is around 14.57%.
Can you name 5 union ministers and their cabinets and their ministries?
I will try my level best, sir. So Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, who is the Finance Minister of India, Sri Piyush Goyal, Commerce Minister of India, Dr. S. Jayasankar, External Affairs Minister of India, Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav, who is the Railway Minister of India, I believe, and Mr. Nitin Gadkari, who is the Transport Minister of India.
Good. Can you name a few ministers from Kerala?
I will also try, sir. So Sri Pinarayi Vijayan is currently the Chief Minister of Kerala, and Sri V.N. Vasavan is the Cultural Minister of Kerala, and Sri Muhammad Riyaz is the PWD Minister of Kerala, and sir, I have.
They are asking they are asking purposely Finance Minister, Agriculture Minister, Health Minister.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Finance Minister is Balagopala Menon.
Yes, sir. Finance Minister is Balagopala.
Then say that
Health Minister is Veena George.
Veena George. Agriculture Minister कौन है?
That I have to check, sir.
Similarly, your daddy is working in real estate. So who is the minister in charge of real estate, construction, etc.? in Kerala. That also you get to know.
Okay, sir. I will definitely look on that.
And that is one. If you know that, that will be good. And regarding commerce, of course, in in Kerala itself, you have separate commerce minister, cooperation minister. That also you get to know.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Did you go through the newspapers today? What is the news about North India?
About North India, particularly, I am not remembering anything, sir. But I can recall some news which I have read today.
Tell me.
The latest news was Nitin Gadkari planning to leave BJP, and there are some other news in the national headlines.
No. Hello. What? See, without your knowledge,
Nitish Kumar, sir. No, not Nitin Gadkari.
Babre, you will be sent out of Kerala.
Okay, sir.
Nitish Kumar.
Nitish Kumar, sir. Sorry.
What is he?
So he's the current Chief Minister of Bihar, sir.
Good. That is the news I wanted. You told me correctly.
Okay.
Tell me something about Zuckerberg, Sundar Pichai, and all that. Who are they?
So Mark Zuckerberg is the founder and current chief of Facebook, and Facebook have actually acquired and managing WhatsApp also in these days. And Sundar Pichai is the current CEO of Google, and there is also another Indian CEO named Satya Nadella who is managing Microsoft, leading Microsoft.
What is it? Thiruvananthapuram?
Hello, sir.
Thiruvananthapuram, I think there is some, that news and all, let us not bother about it. But Kerala governor is not signing some ordinances. You know that?
Yes, sir.
Kerala governor refuses to sign 11 ordinances, including Lok Ayukta amendment expire. Several ordinances, including the Kerala Lok Ayukta ordinance issued by the LDF government, expired on Monday, following Kerala Governor Arif Mohammed's refusal to sign them. The Kerala Ayukta ordinance provides the governor, chief minister, state government would be the competent authority, or he or it may be either accept or reject declaration of Lok Ayukta. Likewise, some points are given. Please go through that. Lot of questions are given here. Please go through that article thoroughly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Who is the mayor of Kottayam? You are in Kottayam, na?
So Kottayam is actually a municipality, sir, not a corporation. So Mr. Binsi Sebastian is the chairperson of the municipality.
Excellent. Thank you. You have been answering all the questions nicely. Best wishes. We'll meet again tomorrow. You are doing well, but go through what are the questions they are asking. I have posted them in our Telegram page.
Okay, sir. I will definitely go through
as given by candidates. Please go through them. Prepare for them also tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think your session, I have marked it
5 p.m. Sir,
5 p.m. Shall I make it 6 p.m.?
Yeah, sure, sir. I'm ready.
Because there is no demand tomorrow. So I think I can start late. 6 p.m.
Yes, sir. We can meet at 6 p.m.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Have a great day. Bye.
You did a good job. Best wishes.